Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
They used to have a system called spoil system to recruit people. So what is the spoil system? அப்படின்னா spoil system is nothing but, imagine in India we follow for spoil system. When the government changes after the election, the entire set of administration, right from chief secretary to the peon in any department, from DGP to the constable, எல்லாரையும் they will ask them to get out, and the party comes into power will recruit the new, meaning administrative positions were considered to be the spoils of election. So any party that wins the election will have the power to appoint men for manning administration in accordance with their own ideologies. This system was introduced by President Jackson. அதனால இந்த சிஸ்டம் என்ன சொல்லுவாங்கன்னா ஜாக்சோனியன் சிஸ்டம்னு சொல்லுவாங்க.